Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. Look dear students, this is our topic is chapter 3 and lesson 1 to 3 we are going to discuss, and this is our lecture number 7 and SW number 6. So dear students, let's begin our today's topic. Look dear students, here is chapter 3. I have written here about lesson 1. Okay. Look here dear students, the chapter name is what? Bangladesh in the global geographical environment. Look dear students, here lesson 1, I have written some information here. Look, geographical introduction to continents. Okay, geographical introduction to continents. We know that there are 7 continents in the world, and these are what? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay, only 29% of the world area is landmass. The rest is mass of water. Many islands and group of islands are also situated on this mass of water, though they are separated from the main landmass of the continent. They are parts of any of the continent. Okay dear students, now listen. The natural scenery of islands and group of islands is very charming. Okay, beautiful tourist centers have been developed in them. Okay dear students, now dear students, we are going to learn from lessons 2 and lesson 3. We are going to learn about geographical location, area, physiography and climate of Asia. Okay dear students, the continent of Asia is situated in the east hemisphere. To the north of this continent is North Ocean, to the south is the Indian Ocean, to the east is the Pacific Ocean, to the southwest is the Red Sea and the continent of Africa, and to the west is the Mediterranean Sea, and to the northwest is the continent of Europe. Dear students, Asia occupies 1/3 of the landmass of the globe. The area of Asia is the largest continent of the world, is 4,46,14,000 square kilometers. Okay, dear students, look, the remarkable rivers of Asia are the Yangtze, the Huanghe, the Euphrates. Okay, and then dear students, Yangtze of China is the longest river of the world. Okay, it is 6,300 kilometer long. 6,300 kilometer long. Okay dear students, in our next chapter, which was page number 24, you will get some information about physiography and climate. Physiography of Asia is full of variety. Nearly 1/3 of area of this continent is plain land. To the north there is an ice covered area. Siberia and hot deserts are to the west of it. Okay dear students, listen, there is lower riparian plain land to the south and southeast direction. Besides, among the physical features, igneous island to the east is remarkable. Okay, then the biggest lagoon of the world, Caspian Sea, is also situated in this continent. 7 of the big rivers of the world flow through this continent. Again, it has the world's highest mountain peak, which name is what? Mount Everest, which is 8,850 meter high. Okay, the peak is named Everest after the name of Sir George Everest, who was the chief of British India Survey Department. Okay, dear students, look here. Tenzing Sherpa of Nepal and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand first ascended the peak of Mount Everest in 1953, and Musa Ibrahim, M. Mohit, Nishat Mojumdar, Wasfia Nazrin of Bangladesh also ascended the peak of Mount Everest. And the climate of Asia is also full of variety. Tropical climate prevails on the longitudinal line within 10 degrees north and south of the equator. Excessive heat and rainfall throughout the year are features of these climate. Rain abundant summer and rainless winter is the main feature of monsoon climate. South and Southeast Asia and India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Thailand, etc. are included in monsoon climate. Okay, drought and difference of temperature have created desert areas in the Middle Asia. So dear students, that's all about some discussion about lesson 2 and lesson 3. You will get elaborately information from this chapter if you follow your book. Okay, so you have to follow your book. And here dear students, I have given 5 MCQ from this chapter. You have to write this, you have to do this as your SW work. Okay dear students, look here, number 1 question, how many continents are there in the world? You have to write this answer. Number 2, which is the only coral island of Bangladesh? Number 3, Edmund Hillary was an inhabitant of which? Okay, which country? Then look number 4, what is the name of the longest sea beach of the world? Then number 5, what is the largest continent in the world? Okay dear students, look this MCQ you have to do as your SW and you have to submit this on next Saturday. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. You have to follow your book to learn more, and of course you have to submit your SW. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.